Hey, so today's video, I'm going to show you how to wash your wig at home. Highly requested and highly informative because I am a wig maker, so I want you to be able to take care of your wig at home. So you're going to need some neutralizing shampoo, and then you're going to need some regular shampoo and some conditioner. It doesn't really matter what kind you get. I use this kind. If not this kind, I use the Suave kind. So first, we're going to start by detangling our wig, making sure that you detangle it from the top to bottom. When you are washing your unit, be sure to make sure that you keep the part where it is. This is very important. If you are not aware of how to style your wig, keep the part where it is. Try to keep your hand near the part. It'll help a whole lot once you finish and blow dry and style it again. So we're just going to wet the hair with some lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold. Wet the lace, making sure to get the whole wig saturated. Then we're going to take our neutralizing shampoo. The reason for neutralizing shampoo is we need to get rid of all the dirt, the glue, everything that's on the lace. We're going to start off by cleaning the lace by itself, and neutralizing shampoo is what you need. Like, neutralizing shampoo does everything that regular shampoo does not do. Neutralizing shampoo is meant to clean your hair, not just make it smell good, not just to, it cleans your hair. All these other shampoos just make it smell good, okay? So coming from someone who went to cosmetology school, take my word for it. So once you do that, you are just going to rinse out that shampoo and making sure to be very gentle when you are scrubbing that shampoo onto your lace. So once we clean the lace, we are now going to clean the hair. So I'm going to go into my neutralizing shampoo again before I go into my other one. This is just to clean all the oils and dirt and everything else from the wig before I go in with my Smell Good shampoo. Just doing the same thing that I was doing before, and also making sure to get the ends. Use as much shampoo as you need. Do not be stingy. You want your wig to be clean, smelling good, fresh, and just clean. That's the best way to style your wig, is when it's clean. It just makes the wig look so much better, y'all. Take care of your wig at home. Please take care of your wig. A wig is an investment, so take care of it, okay? But y'all see, I go in with my shampoo about 3 or 4 times. I'm not afraid to use my shampoo. And also making sure to clean the inside of your cap as well. If you are a smoker or anything of that nature, you want to make sure that you clean your wig at least once every 2 weeks, because all that smoke and scent can get into your wig, and your wig is going to stink. It's going to stink so bad. So make sure you are cleaning your wig at least once every 2 weeks. If you're still not sure how to do it, you can always send it in for a wig maintenance, and I can do this for you. I can do it for you. But anyways, so now I'm getting on to the ends of my wig, and y'all see, like, the shampoo isn't like bubbly. Like, it barely looks like there's shampoo on it, but I'm about to show you what it should look like. But let me show y'all something. Look at all this dirt coming out of my, y'all, and this is my personal wig, so that's why it might be a little hole in my lace. But y'all, look at that dirt. Do y'all see that dirt? Do y'all see that dirt? And I'm not even a smoker or anything like that. Like, I put a bonnet on at night and everything, but when you start layering up your products and stuff like that, your hair will get dirty. So make sure you are cleaning your wig, y'all. Their hair was so dirty. Oh, so embarrassing. But make sure you are cleaning your wig. So once I do that, I go in with my argan oil shampoo. Now this is just a shampoo to make it soft and for it to smell good once I did that cleaning process with the neutralizing shampoo. And I'm just going to repeat that same process as I did with the first shampoo. And y'all will be able to tell how bubbly this shampoo gets. That's how you know your hair is clean, is when you see it lathering. If you don't see it lathering, you need to go again and shampoo. Okay? Now we are going to go in with our conditioner, and you are just going to lather it on the same way you would your shampoo, as much as you would like, depending on how much you want it to be, honestly. I just use a decent amount, and then I let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Always be sure to let your conditioner just sit for a while so it can fully saturate into your hair. Once you wait your 5 to 10 minutes, we are going to rinse our wig with cold water. Cold hair will lock in the moisture from the conditioner. So make sure that you are that you are rinsing your wig with the coldest water. And then you are done. Once you rinse that out, make sure to rinse out everything. Make sure everything is good and squeaky clean. Please, it will make a big difference in the way your hair curls, in the way your hair looks straight, the body of it, the smell of it, the shine of it, the lust of it, everything, y'all. So make sure that you are taking care of your wig. If you don't feel comfortable doing this alone at home, you can always send in your wig for a wig maintenance, and I can do all of this for you. So just make sure that you are taking care of your wig. So once I do all that, I just wring my wig out like a mop. Yes, I do. But be gentle if you are doing this at home. I'm kind of used to it, so I know where to pull, where not to pull, how hard to squeeze it, and everything else. So be gentle, y'all. I know I look like I'm being heavy. Well, I am a little bit. But towards the lace, I'm being very gentle. So once I do that, I always hang my wig up so it can air dry overnight, and then I'll style it the next day. So this is how your wig should look, all clean and everything else. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.